Okay, let's unpack this. India has just taken a pretty big leap in defense technology.
Yeah, it's significant news.
DRDO has successfully tested the Integrated Air Defense Weapon System, the IADWS, off the coast of Odisha.
Mm-hmm.
So today we're going to do a quick deep dive, sort of a shortcut to understand what this really means.
Absolutely. And what's fascinating here, I think, is that we're looking at India's new multi-layered shield. It's designed against a whole range of aerial threats.
Right.
So our mission really is to figure out what IADWS is, how the test went down, and, why it's such a potential game changer for national security and, importantly, for indigenous tech.
Okay, so let's start there. IADWS, we hear the acronym, but what is this system and what makes it integrated?
Right. The integrated part is really crucial. It's not just like separate pieces of kit. It's a coordinated, multi-layered air defense system. Think of it as comprehensive protection against drones, UAVs, even missiles. And what makes it robust is how it combines different elements. You've got the quick reaction surface-to-air missiles, QRSAM,
Yes, sir.
then the advanced very short-range air defense system missiles, VSHORADS, and maybe the most interesting part, laser-based directed energy weapons, or DWs.
DWs, okay. Lasers.
Exactly. And putting these together gives you protection across different ranges, different altitudes. It's meant to be a really comprehensive shield.
So it's about different tools for different jobs, all working together smarter, not just more.
Precisely.
And here's where it gets really interesting, I think. They didn't just test it. They actually destroyed targets.
They did. Yeah, the test was, by all accounts, a major success. It showed remarkable precision.
So what were the specifics? What did they shoot down?
Well, the system successfully engaged and destroyed 3 different aerial targets.
3, yeah.
2 were high-speed, fixed-wing UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles.
The faster ones.
Right. And the 3rd was a multi-copter drone, like a quadcopter, potentially.
Okay, so different types of threats.
Exactly. And crucially, these targets were hit at different ranges and altitudes. That really showcases the system's versatility.
Right, it's not just a one-trick pony.
Not at all. And apparently all the components worked seamlessly. We're talking missiles, the drone detection, the destruction systems themselves, the command and control, comms networks, radars, the whole package.
Way.
Yeah, and the performance was validated using range instruments from the integrated test range at Chandipur. So proper verification.
It sounds like a very thorough test. So destroying different things at different heights and speeds.
Yeah.
Okay, let's connect the dots. What does this all mean for India? Why should you care about this new system?
Well, there are a few big reasons. First, obviously, stronger national security. It gives India a much more robust way to deal with, modern aerial threats, UAVs, drones, missiles, the kinds of things that are increasingly common.
Yeah, the threat landscape is changing fast.
It really is. Second, and this is a big deal internally, it's a major boost for indigenous capability. Atmanirbhar Bharat, right?
Self-reliance.
Exactly. It means less reliance on buying defense systems from abroad and a big push for domestic defense tech and manufacturing. We're building our own advanced stuff.
That's huge.
And third, as we mentioned, that multi-layered protection. Having QRSAM, VSHORADS, and DRDO means you've got cover at various ranges and altitudes. It's a proper shield.
Okay, but you mentioned the DWs again, the directed energy weapons. That feels like the most futuristic part.
It absolutely is.
Yeah.
The successful testing of DWs is, it's a significant leap. We're talking about next-generation warfare technology here.
So how do lasers change things compared to, say, a missile?
Well, think about cost per shot. A missile is expensive, and it's gone once you fire it.
Right. One use.
Yeah. A laser, theoretically, can fire repeatedly as long as it has power. That changes the economics of air defense completely, makes sustained defense more feasible.
I see. Cheaper intercepts, potentially infinite shots.
Potentially, yes. And it shows India is really pushing the boundaries, getting into these next-gen technologies. It raises big questions about the future of defense, not just for India, but globally.
It really sounds like India has made a significant stride here, a major step forward.
Absolutely. With IADWS, India has moved much closer to self-reliant, future-ready air defense. And it leaves you thinking, doesn't it? Consider how integrating systems like these DEWs, these lasers, how that might fundamentally change the whole landscape of aerial defense in the coming decades. Not just here, but everywhere. It's definitely something to watch.